My people, this is not TMC TV where they bring you to where content mama, papa, brother, sister, and everybody to make sure see Nigeria better. And my name is Omar Luke Ajakaye. Right now, we don't do for Ugbor community for inside already local government. Second, say Prince Builders won't show us one of their estates as they build them. And you know, say we don't follow Prince Builders go up again Nevusa and not based on Nevusa community as they do groundbreaking for those estates. And right now, they go still tell us some of the price for the estates as the matter they happen for here. My people follow us, we can make we give you an update as they happen for here. As you all know, the Prince Builders and that Ugbor company we're into estate for the past 15 years, and currently they do inspections for our estate. This is the Prince Builders Luxury Estate, Phase 9 at Ugbor GRA. The estate already gets its CFO, and as you can see, the buildings, what we do for this estate now, duplexes. We have detached duplexes in this estate. We're going to boost off like 100 buildings in this estate, so we'll get good infrastructure for this place, good access road. We'll get long tennis courts. We'll get so many amenities when go make everybody when near the estate will get relaxed mind. As you see the buildings, you check the blocks and all that, we use better blocks for this our structure. Why? Because of say we want to make sure say Edo people they go feel enjoy their money. So for this estate, they give you 18 months for you to pay in installments. That one means say you feel pay small for this estate, and also you go fit do with your initial deposit of 10 million naira for the duplex. You'd already turn landlord, and for the land, they give you opportunity for you to also pay small for the land. They give the land before now for 6 million naira for 50 by 100, but currently they give 20% discount for all our properties nationwide. Now make and say we can't tell you say this estate now, if you minus 20% come off for the price of the house, or you minus 20% come off for the price of the land, you go fee pay us the balance money, and you spread down within 18 months installment plan. And the office address for Benin here, they for Comfort Plaza A4 for ATT off Adexua for GRA. And not forget say we also get other estates for Abuja and for Lagos, which one for Abuja they for Airport Road for Lugbe, and the office address for Abuja na number 10 Durban Street, we say to Abuja. The estate for Lagos, they for Lekki Epe Expressway for back of Alaro City. And also, not forget, say the office address for Lagos, now Ikota Shopping Complex, 047, 048 Ikota Shopping Complex of VGC Aja, Lagos. Take advantage of all those opportunities given to you by the Prince Builders. Now, we do and say if you buy 10 plots, you get 1 plot of land free. And if you bring 10 persons, you also get plot of land free. And if you buy 5 plots, you get 50 by 100 free. Since 2007, now they give solutions while building relationship.
I thought they work with the Prince Builder for a very long time now. And one thing I like about the Prince Builder, and I say they are very reliable. For every of the estates, you not get community problem. You know, such they carry your clients, can't give them. They're not go jones you, they're not go jazz you. You know, say your interest they ensured. No community palaba, you're not getting this with community at all. And the fact say your commission they ensured, that's one I be the sweetest aspect. So I call on other agents for those states and other estate company, come and work with the Prince Builder, and I ensure you say you're not going to regret them.
I don't be ambassador to this very company, and not just only to be ambassador, now because of say I don't see say anything where they put their hand line on the day for inside. I go encourage my family, because one of the things we will see first for anything we be say with the patronize. Any of the things we say with the fair look forward here now the genuity. And when you buy land from us, wahala not the day. Especially now we be say somebody like Influence Akabadoko involved. If you they come through me, we give 20% discount to every of our customer we come. Not just only that one. If you buy 10 plots from us, we give you 1 plot of land free. Free 100 by 100 will be your own. Not just only that one. If you bring buyer, say you bring reach like 10, we should get 1 plot of land. So now so we take the do here for the Prince Builders. Make una not fear, shaking all the day. Influence Akaba day here to encourage all of una. For everything we do here for the Prince Builders, I don't be ambassador to this company. Everything here na genuine. God bless all of una.